Well, marking 51 years of emergency, the BJP is paying tribute to the lakhs of citizens, from students and social workers, political leaders who stood up against the Congress regime under Indira Gandhi, calling it Samvidhan Hatya Divas. So, India is observing Samvidhan Hatya Divas 51 years since the emergency. In fact, the Prime Minister has recalled the darkest chapter of democracy. The Prime Minister has taken to social media to say emergency was an assault on the Constitution. Going on to see the Prime Minister, in fact, he has taken to social media, so let me take you through what he has said. Here is what he has said, and it's a tweet in Hindi. Translating it, it says, it's Samvidhan Hatya Divas today reminds us that the dark era of India, when democracy was brutally crushed. It inspires us to always remain committed to protecting democracy, the Constitution and citizens' rights. My respectful salutations to all the luminaries who objected to or opposed the emergency. This is what he has said. One attains happiness through independence. Through independence, one attains supreme. So he has gone on to give his tributes to all those who stood up against emergency. In fact, this will lead to a big political slugfest as well, because the BJP is also observing the day as the darkest chapter of democracy. Let me go across to my colleague Pragya, joining us on the broadcast with the details. And Pragya, at a time when Rahul Gandhi, the entire Congress ecosystem has been walking around with the Samvidhan, this becomes very important. The Prime Minister has also taken to social media, and the BJP is also paying tribute to the lakhs of citizens who stood up to the emergency.
Absolutely. If you remember, this was started, on the 50th anniversary of emergency. And in fact, Prime Minister says that because of the young generation, they are, very divorced from what has happened. And because this is a new generation, they didn't know what actually happened during emergency. It is time to let them also know what Congress did. Despite the fact that Rahul Gandhi is waving Constitution is in hand, his own family imposed emergency on this particular country. It was a black day where civil liberties were suspended, your rights were suspended. There were political activists, students who were in fact arrested on that day. Your freedom of expression was also curbed. That was the kind of day that emergency, had imposed on the people of this country. But Prime Minister also speaks about, the brighter side of it, that there are countless number of citizens who stood against emergency, who decided to fight the emergency imposed by the then Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. And in fact, that is the time when there was hope in the Constitution. Remember, the same Constitution that Prime Minister has quoted, citing 4 primary foundation of the Constitution: justice, fraternity, also equality for that matter. Prime Minister says that was the foundation, and that keeps on, the light keeps on, is still in the hearts of the people because of the Constitution. And this is why, which is very important for the BJP, to ensure that every generation, especially the younger generation, know what actually happened in Congress era, what Congress leaders who are now hailed and celebrated by many did to the country, its independence, and also the civil rights and liberties of the people.
Yes.
Remember, Rahul Gandhi had been attacking Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his government on various fronts, saying that there is no freedom of expression, there is no justice being done by the government.
Yes.
But this is exactly what is being used by the BJP today to show mirror to the Congress and Rahul Gandhi and all the leaders, saying that this is what actually has happened.
Yes.
Against your narrative. These are some facts from the history, and you should also remember. And this is exactly the reason why many of the top leaders of the BJP right now, and in fact the Union Minister Mr. JP Nadda is in Patna. There are various top leaders who are participating in the Samvidhan Hatya Divas today, observing the brutalities that the country had faced during emergency days.
Okay, so telling the people never forget what happened during the emergency era.